Hi, in this video we'll explore the Blings Studio. Once I've finished rendering my scenes in After Effects using the Blings extension, I'll see them listed here in my project, each scene as a separate tab. This is where I can quickly check whether everything rendered correctly, and if something looks off, no worries. We can always re-render, and all the connections we've created remain intact. That means no wasted effort or duplicate work. On the right side of the screen, you'll see our dynamic data panel. This is the representation of our data that we are using for this video. This data might come from a CRM or another source. The crucial point is that your MP5 experience can use this data dynamically. In this example, I'm showing a simple field called name. The goal is to link that field to a relevant text layer from my After Effects animation and decide what logic to apply. This is where connectors come in. Every connector follows the same pattern. Choose a layer. Decide where data comes from. Adjust properties as needed for dynamic behavior. When I select a text connector, it only displays the text layers from my composition. Picking the layer labeled name causes the original text to disappear momentarily because it's now expecting a data source. Next, I specify that data is coming from the database. Once I type an example name, the text on the canvas updates right away. After everything's linked, I can test different values. Each connector also offers properties to handle visual constraints. For instance, if someone has a long name, I might set a font size breakpoint so that after 8 characters, the font shrinks by 1 pixel per extra character. I can also align the text to the top so everything stays visually anchored as lengths change. Even enforcing all caps can be done with a single toggle, ensuring consistent styling no matter how the user's name is stored in the database. When I hit play in the preview, I see the personalized text seamlessly integrated. The same concept applies to images, colors, or any other media layer. You choose the relevant connector, media or color, for example, and link it to your data fields. Beyond data connections, there's plenty of interactivity options. Any layer can become a clickable trigger, jumping to another scene, opening a link, or generating a new timeline based on user input. You can also convert text layers into input fields, letting viewers submit information that flows straight back into your database. We offer a variety of advanced features, like layering complex logic, handling multiple languages, or conditionally showing and hiding elements. Each option is detailed in our documentation, but this should give you a solid overview of the Bling Studio workflow. And that's it. Import your scene from After Effects, map layers to your data, configure any logic or interactivity, and watch your static animation transform into a personalized, interactive MP5 experience. All of this happens without the need for constant video re-renders. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more deep dives into additional Bling Studio features.